Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Those who don't know me, this is me, Alice Raj, and welcome back to my channel, Small Steps Towards Bigger Dreams. तो ये जो है मैं आज ये थर्ड पार्ट लेके आई हूँ एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश वर्ड्स का। हम लोगों के डे टू डे लाइफ में, एवरीडे लाइफ में आप कैसे इंग्लिश को अपने सुधार सकते हैं, उसके लिए एडवांस्ड इंग्लिश वर्ड्स मैं लेके आई हूँ। और हमेशा की तरह 10 वर्ड्स के साथ साथ मैं आपको 2 बोनस वर्ड्स लेके आई हूँ। आप अपनी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं वोकेबलरी एंड यू विल बी हैविंग सच कॉन्फिडेंस विद दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स। चलो लेट अस गेट स्टार्टेड। आई कैन सी माई सेल्फ शूटिंग वाओ नाउ। तो सबसे पहला वर्ड आ जाता है मेरे पास बिंज। ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक द वर्ड्स फर्स्ट। बिंज, बून, बेन, मीकनेस, meekness not weakness, relish, I'm sorry the h is going away, okay, okay, it's a terrible h. Okay, now relish, oblivion, or oblivion, blatant, sweltering hot. It should be sweltering hot. The word is sweltering hot. Okay, now atoning, pesky, plausible, passibly. Now again, pesky, plausible, passibly. Okay, now children, अब binge का मतलब क्या है? A period of eating and drinking too much. She is in the period of binge right now, or she is binging right now. Why? Because she is depressed, or she had a breakup, or whatever. Now boon, a thing that is very helpful and you are grateful of. It's a period of boon, and this is the, or you can say, the prime minister period was a boon. That period was the boon. Now bane, something causes trouble, makes someone unhappy. Don't be such a bane. You're causing trouble. Instead of saying that you're causing a lot of trouble and you're making people unhappy by your things, instead of that you can say stop being such a bane. Now meekness, the fact of being or condition of being, the fact or condition of being submissive. ठीक है, तो I am submissing मतलब I am not taking charge of anything. I am not I am not being responsible or of anything. I am just being submissive कि कोई दूसरा आए और करके चला जाए. That is meekness, not weakness. Okay, weakness is something you cannot do it at all, but I am not actually doing it. I want others to do it because I am submitting myself to the others. तुम्हें जो करना है करो भैया, मैं यहाँ पे हूँ, तुम ऑर्डर करोगे कि तुम 10 बार उठा बैठा करो, मैं वो भी करूँगी. Relish, great enjoyment. I am in a period of relish right now. Why? Because I've passed my 10th class examination. Oblivion, the state of being completely forgotten of or unknown. I was in oblivion after my hospitalization. I don't know, or when I got when I was getting the vertigo, at that time I got completely oblivion of my state. Now blatant, completely obvious. I mean, we have just made it obvious. We are not putting anything which is like concealing that thing. Okay, not trying to. It's my plan is blatant right now, or whatever you're trying to do, but it's blatant to everyone. Now sweltering hot, it's too much hot outside that you are uncomfortable, and you're just unable to bear it anymore. Atoning, you need to atone for your sins. You are such a sinner that you need to atone for your sins, making amends or reparation. Okay, I need to atone for my sins to the God, or to my mother, or to whatever I have done wrong to. I have wronged anyone, if then at that time. Pesky, causing irritation or annoyance. Your sister is such a pesky, or my brother is such a pesky person. Why? Because it always irritates and annoys. Now plausible, it is possible, it can be possible. I'm not saying it is possible, I'm saying it can be possible. I am not saying that it is like something which is there written, it's a fact, right? Like for example, what I can say that mermaids are real. Plausible, it is plausible. I'm not saying that it's a fact, it is possible, I'm saying it's plausible. Passibly means in a way it's just good enough, and reasonably it's there and I'm accepting it. Okay, I hope you guys understood these 12 letters. Please make a very good note of it. I'm Alice Raj. Do share and like and subscribe my videos, and I'm signing off.